Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to do some outlets. We're going to bring some outlets right here, and these are smart outlets. They give you two of them. Now, the pack itself, there's a couple options you can do. These could be controlled by voice or by your phone. Great options to have. It works with pretty much every voice operated system out there. So we're going to take a look at it. We're going to set them up too. And let's go ahead and take a look what you get. So pretty much, if you're an electrical guy or you know electricity, I recommend proceed, but be cautious about these things. If you're not familiar with it, they do give you instructions so you could do it DIY yourself. But make sure you turn off the power before you even commence, or there's no power in that outlet, because if you do, do it at your own risk. Like I said, I'm not an electrician. I'm not a pro. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna bring in my brother-in-law to actually help me out, because I'm kind of afraid of electricity sometimes. So I want to make sure that the outlets are properly set up and properly off before we even set these up. And we're gonna test them out too. So they give you the instructions, all right, off the bat. They give you instructions, the safety manual, and all that stuff. Same things I'm telling you, and then the actual screws itself to actually mount these. But first of all, let's take a look at the one of them. I'm going to take them off. One box. If you guys can see, they give you the actual covers. But if you have your own cover, you could go ahead and replace it. A lot of people have their own design covers and stuff like that, different colors. You could go ahead. All right, this is the actual jewel of the system. If you can see it, there's an actual a Wi-Fi connection here, and this is going to be used to actually connect your system in there. You do need your actual phone to start the application and to modify the settings to pick up your actual Wi-Fi. Now, in order to make that work, you have to read the instructions that the manual requires in there. Okay. Now, we do have a Google Home system that we can plug in things into it, and it's easy to actually access the system. So if you have a lamp or something connected to it, a coffee, you could ask Alexa or Google to actually turn that system off, but you have to actually follow their setups in order for do that. It comes out, of course, it gives you the ground, the green, and pretty much this is where the green cable goes in the ground. Goes to the side here, and it tells you right here there's two connections in here, and they give you a couple of things to do: the neutral and then the hot. The hot will go on this side, the neutral will go on this side. So they give you an actual reading in the back of it, not just in the manual, but the actual system itself here too. And they even color green so you can actually know which cable it is. So if you're familiar with the electrical, go ahead and commence. If not, be cautious, do it at your own risk. If you are going to do it yourself, make sure you don't have no electrical power actually running to the panel in here, and continue on with it. So the setup, the other setup is going to be more difficult. The actual phone setup is the most difficult part, but this is the actual simple part.
Nomás tengo, mira.
Did I give you that stand? That one, huh?
Yeah.
Is it going to fit in that box?
Yeah. Esto sí.
Oh, it has to be this kind of box, huh?
Yeah, de ese de plástico.
There we go. There we go. Oh, Jimmy. Because the face is always in the bottom, the mouse. This is the hard part right here.
Así.
Well, you should put tape, no?
So the tape, we put it so if you gotta touch it and it's still live, it doesn't electrocute you, for safety.
For safety reasons. Also for the cables won't pop out too. So it's a good thing to put tape.
You know, cover.
Because
these are oversized.
Okay.
Mira, si miras, it covers everything.
Yeah.
Como este no lo ocupo.
Plug it in. And if you guys can see, the blue light comes on already. You guys can see the little blue light on? I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Blue light on. All right. We're activated. We're going to set that up right now too. All right. We're going to go to the website. We're going to grab the actual control for the lights. We can do this right here. We're going to open it up. He has it already. So once you log in, it automatically identify it. So we're going to go here and go to add. And if you can see, we're going to put in our password for we're going to put our Wi-Fi password so it could link up, all right? You guys can see it went next. Now you're going to get this, go next. And there it is, successful. Say done. And that's it. So from here, say up. We're gonna update it. It needs a firmware update. So update. Start update. It's gonna start updating this system too. So when you purchase it, it might give you an update. You might have to update it too. And I'll show you what you can do. I'm gonna plug in things in, all right? So we're gonna plug in a USB right now. Go ahead and plug it in. Plug a USB to it. And then the phone, here's the plug. And there it is, starts charging automatically. So you have a charging station. So if you have modules like a old TV that needs a Amazon stick that requires power, you can always power it from here too. All right, leave it on. All right, so we got the TV here. If you guys can see it, we have powers to 2 switches right now. So the TV is on switch 2, I think it is.
Yeah.
Switch 2. We could turn off the TV remotely if you guys can see it. Switch 2, turn it back on. We could remote into it and it turns everything on too. So there it is. Switch 1 and 2. And you could USBs, you could turn them off too manually here too if you have things to plug in too also. So like I said, power off. All right. Power on, and it takes a bit, but it does it, and it's charging. Everything's good. You have the power to control this. If you have Siri, you could turn it off too. If you have Alexa and so forth, and Google, you can turn that off too. So very simple, easy to set up. So if you guys have any questions or any comments, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. We're out.